Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a reliable cloud copy so nothing is lost. Install Google Photos on your Android, sign in, and enable backup and sync while on Wi-Fi. Once done, watch the progress indicator until it says backed up for recent photos. Make sure you're on power or 50% plus battery. Also check your Google storage quota, if it's full, free space, or buy extra. This gets all images off the device and ready to reach your iPhone without cable work. Once the cloud copy exists, open the same Google Photos account on your iPhone. Sign in and you'll immediately see your backed up images. You can import specific albums by selecting photos and choosing Save to Device. This writes them into the iPhone Photos app. If you have thousands, use a desktop. Download the full set from Photos. Google.com, then connect the iPhone and sync via Finder or iTunes. Make sure iPhone has enough free space before bulk importing to avoid failure. Finish by organizing the imported images in the iPhone Photos app, and if you want Apple Sync, enable iCloud Photos so everything propagates to your other Apple devices. Once done, verify albums and remove duplicates if needed. If things go wrong, try this key troubleshooting step. Check that both Google Photos apps are updated, confirm strong Wi-Fi, and ensure you have enough Google and iCloud storage. If backup remains stuck, sign out and sign back in, then retry the upload or import.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.